Checking values in lists with if-else statements. It's important to know how to check for an element, if is it in the list or not, because if you build a game or a website, you need to check for the username if it exists in your server or not. Note, we will use the keyword in within the if-else statements to check for the name if it's in the list or not. Let's see how. First, go to brackets. So pretend that you got a list called my list. Inside this list, you had elements of John, Nancy, Mia. So now, to check if John username is in the list, we can use if-else statements, such as if John with quotation marks in my list colon, then print yes if it's in the list, else colon, then print no, it's not in the list. After that, try that on terminal. Very good, works well. It shows that John is in the list. We also can add an element in the condition to check if it's in the list, such as and Nancy within quotation marks in my list. Cool, it says Nancy is in the list also. Okay, that's everything for now. Thank you very much. Checking values not in lists with if-else statements. Checking if not in the list. To check if an element is not in the list, you need to use the keyword not and in within the if-else statements. Let's see how. Okay, first go to brackets. As we did in the previous lecture, we have the same list, my list, with its elements. So now, let's make a new way to check the elements, such as to create a variable called name and assign it with a string mark. Then use if-else statements such as if name not in my list, colon. Then print name dot lower member function plus string space plus string it's not in the list. Lower member function is not required of you to do it, but it makes your code nice. Then type else colon, print it's in the list. Then try that in the terminal. Very good. As you can see, Mark is not in the list. So it's possible to create a variable and check if the contents of the variable are in the list or not. So now you need to try your own code on your computer. Thank you very much.